Welcome to an exciting showcase of innovation in the world of agriculture. In this video, we're diving into the realm of modern farming technology and exploring 5 remarkable agricultural machines that have taken productivity and efficiency to a whole new level. From precision planting to automated harvesting, these cutting-edge devices are revolutionizing the way we cultivate our fields. Join us as we unveil these incredible advancements that are shaping the future of agriculture. Number 5. In parks and golf courses, the operator carefully arranges the warehouse to maximize storage space and provide maximum storage capacity. The EA600 aerator is a type of machine used for soil rehabilitation, enhancing aeration for improved plant growth. Maintaining the landscape is important. As a result of the numerous microscopic holes that are made by the moving, sharp blades that pierce the soil surface, the soil is enriched with more oxygen and is better able to absorb nutrients. Number 4. In the past, farmers had to work long hours to plant rice, but thanks to technological advances, automated planting machines have taken over this work. Fields are swiftly filled with lush, green crops owing to these machines, whose design has been developed to ensure that the planting operation is carried out efficiently and attractively. Number 3. The tree spade machine, which can move trees up to 100 inches in diameter, is ideal for doing this without endangering the trees. This large tree spade machine is a practical and secure way to move large trees from gardens, parks, or forests to another location because of its easy-to-understand working principle. It uses blades to separate the tree from the soil, then holds it on a frame and moves it to a new location to ensure that the tree will still have enough nutrients and won't be affected by relocation. Number 2. According to calculations made by the manufacturer, a Slift T200 Foreign, one of the well-known harvesting tools used by Russian farmers, has a distinctive design that includes a conveyor system for transferring the processed produce and a carrot pulling system with cutting blades. The machine can produce 10 to 15 tons per hour, which reduces labor costs and increases productivity. The ASA Lift T200 is a practical carrot harvesting option. Number 1. When the case is full of cotton, the machine will automatically compress and pack it into round bales with a diameter of about 1 meter for easy transportation. The Hack 5000 is one of the modern varieties of cotton harvesters that is widely used on farms in China. The machine is highly praised for its convenience and efficiency in separating cotton seeds from the plant. The front cutting heads of the Hack 5000 will separate the cotton fibers from the plant and deliver them into a storage compartment. That's it for today. For more interesting story videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for never missing updates.